Okay, this is the ferry terminal in Macau, and just kind of show you a little bit of what's here. But all the buses come here, and all the casino buses are here too. So if you do visit Macau and you visit the ferry, you can take these any of these buses that go to any casinos, and they're free. You just jump on, and they basically have them all over the. They go to all the city, all the points of entry to the city. There's even tour buses too. Star World. Let's go check out the room. And there's a tour bus. This red one's a tour bus. It's like a hop on, hop off, I believe. So okay. And there's one of the casinos right there. So we're just gonna go down. Oh, Broadway Food Street, okay. Broadway Food Street is a good spot. A lot of tourists go there. But it would take you right there, I guess. So we're just gonna follow this into the ferry terminal. And I don't have my GoPro camera. I'm gonna buy a brand new one soon, October 15. So for now, we're going to be using this one. But this is an underground that connects from the buses into the ferry terminal. A lot of things are under construction all the time. This escalator's under construction too. Okay, so the ferry terminal is right up here. I'll just show you the inside a little bit, and then I'm going to get a ticket. And this video is going to be going with all my other Macau stuff, but I'm going to go to Shenzhen today. So, okay. This is basically what the outside looks like. They greet people and they guide them into the casinos in this spot. So, okay. So we're going to walk on in. Oh, it's empty today. It's really empty. Go into this big open space. There's another ferry terminal now in Taipa, and I use the Taipa one all the time whenever I take a ferry. But I think there's a few more ferries that go to Shenzhen, so I wanted to come up here today. And I haven't been here in quite a while. I'm just going to bring the camera over to there, and then you can see where I get the tickets. The ferry terminal is pretty small. There's a huge line over there. You can see this is for helicopters. I'm not going to take one, of course, but you can see. I'm going to go to this Sheco, and there's a big line. Okay, hope I can get into it. That line is long. That's exactly the place I need to go to as well. So I'm going to be going into this line, I guess. So, okay. Sheco, 1 o'clock. Dang. If I'm lucky, I can get this ferry right here. I don't know if I can. Dang. But this is the ferry terminal. It's 11:33 right now. I think they're in a waiting list, so sometimes you can get one and get on an earlier one. If we're lucky, that can be us. Let's see. So we're going to be in this line right here. This line is pretty long, and I'll just wait here. So.
Toma cuidado la